Nothing beats the taste of freshly popped popcorn. The sizzle of the oil, the sounds of the kernels popping, that unbelievable smell. Hi, I'm Tal Moore, founder and CEO of Popsmith. And we're building a modern, easy-to-use popper that makes delicious, handcrafted popcorn in under 5 minutes. This is the Popsmith popper. It's no secret that the best popcorn is actually made in a kettle, just like it was made in the world's first popcorn popper invented by Charles Craters back in 1885. But for some reason, corporations in the 1980s decided that consumers are willing to trade flavor and quality for bland and convenience. Let's be honest. Air-popped popcorn is boring and tasteless. And bagged popcorn is convenient, but it can never deliver that hot, freshly popped flavor you crave. And look, pressing the popcorn button on the microwave is super easy. But 3 minutes later, all you're gonna have is greasy popcorn and chemical flavors. What's even in those bags? I've been obsessed with popcorn since I was a kid. From weekly visits to the movies, to begging my mom for fresh popped popcorn on movie nights at home. I've been in the popcorn space for 2 decades. In 2002, I started eatpopcorn.com selling popcorn machines online. A few years later, I started Franklin's Gourmet Popcorn to bring authentic movie theater popcorn to the home. After 20 years in the popcorn industry, I realized that a better at-home popping experience was possible. One that was beautiful, easy to use, cooked like high-end cookware, and of course made perfect popcorn every single time. And not just buttery popcorn, but sweet kettle corn, just like what you'd find at ballparks, county fairs, and farmers markets. And with the help of a leading industrial design team, 2 years of product development, hundreds and hundreds of hours of testing, I'm excited to present a popper that's gonna change your experience with popcorn. The Popsmith is a modern, one-of-a-kind popper that elevates popcorn from a mindless snack to a joyful experience. Popsmith delivers a foolproof way to make consistently delicious popcorn in under 5 minutes. It's super easy to use. Set the Popsmith on medium heat, pour in your oil, your corn, your salt, close the lid, turn the crank. When the popcorn popping slows down, take it off, pour it into a bowl, and enjoy. The stainless steel body and multi-layered metal bottom ensures even heat distribution, so you don't have to worry about burnt batches or unpopped kernels. Our patented spinner replicates old-timey popcorn poppers, tumbling the kernels in oil and ensuring a perfect pop every single time. Popsmith is the world's first at-home popper capable of making sweet popcorn as well. Our pre-measured kit makes fresh, piping hot, sweet and salty kettle corn just like at the county fair. Popsmith works on all stoves, including glass tops and induction cooktops. The 6-quart pot makes enough popcorn for a family of 4 to enjoy. Make popcorn your way. Popsmith allows you to make infinite recipes using unlimited oils and seasonings to make exactly the type of popcorn you want to make. Cleanup is super easy. Just wipe it down or stick in the dishwasher. Choose from 5 fun colors to complement any kitchen. Friends and family are going to enjoy watching you making the popcorn almost as much as they're going to enjoy eating it. Kids are going to look forward to memorable movie night rituals with mom and dad. From game days to cozy movie nights, Popsmith makes experiences far more memorable. Popsmith is our way of reimagining the popcorn making experience. Support this project today and share with anybody who's ready to discover new possibilities with fresh popped popcorn.